Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Muhammad Syafal Kafi with name 24051214191 in Study Information System Program 2024. In this presentation, I will review a journal article for my information system security midterm assessment. The paper I discuss is about risk assessment and risk management. To this presentation, I want to explain the main ideas of the paper clearly and show why the paper is important for understanding modern risk thinking. The title of the paper is Risk Assessment and Risk Management, Review of Recent Advance on their Foundation, written by T.J. Affen and published in the Europe Journal of Operational Research in 2016. This is a review paper, so the author does not present a new experiment. Is that the author review recent advance in the field and focus especially on the foundational ideas behind risk assessment and risk management. In with this paper method because risk assessment and risk management have gone into an established scientific field over the last 30 to 4 years. The field is not used in my sector, but its conceptual foundation is still debated. The author argues that an old view, where risk is treated only as probability or expense loss, is too narrow. According to the paper, good risk thinking must also include consequence, uncertainty, and the strength of the knowledge that support the analysis. Slide 4, paper goals and roadmap. The main goal of this paper is to review recent advances in risk assessment and risk management with special attention to their fundamental ideas and ways of thinking. In this presentation, I will follow the roadmap. So on the slides, first, risk scientific field, second, science knowledge and decision making, third, risk conceptual, four, uncertainty in risk assessment, 5, risk management strategies, 6, depth, uncertainty and black swan, 7, future direction and cyber security relevance to information system security. Okay, slide 5. Risk as scientific field. In this part, the paper explained that the risk file has two connected tasks. Task 1 is about specific application. This means using risk assessment and risk management to study and correct activity, system, project, or investment. Task 2 is about generic risk research. This means developing concept, theories, frameworks, methods, and model for understanding and governing risk in a broader sense. The important point is that risk not only a practical toolbox, it is also a knowledge producing discipline. Slide 6, scans knowledge and decision making. This slide shows an important schema for the paper process begin with evidence which then support a knowledge base. After that, there is a word risk evaluation, then a decision maker review, and finally a decision. The main message of this schema is that risk decision do not move direction from raw data to action. They move through knowledge evaluation and use so risk assessment support decision making, but it does not replace expert review or managerial judgment. The quality of the knowledge base matter as much as the final number. Slide 7. How the paper conceptualizes risk. The core idea on this slide is that risk should not be reduced to probability alone. The paper defines risk more broadly as question plus untined or as tined about and seven of question relative to things humans value. The slides also show the CQK framework. C stands for question, Q stands for a measure of uncertainty, often probability, and key stand for background knowledge. So a good risk description should explain where might happen, how intense it is, and how strong the supporting knowledge actuality is. Slide X and cognitive and risk assessment. These slides focus on uncertainty, which is one of the most important themes in the paper. The paper say that probability remains the main tool, especially in well-defined case. However, for epistemic uncertainty, the real issue is often weak knowledge rather than the absence of a number. This means that to analyze my product the some probability but still reach on very defined level of confidence. That is why the paper recommends combining probability with an explained assessment of strength of knowledge. On the slash case and case B would show probability, but case in support by stronger data and a better model. Will case B is supported by weaker data and less clear model. Slide 9. Main risk management strategies. The paper identifies three main risk management strategies. The first is risk information strategies. This issue risk assessment structural discussion support and is useful when evidence and model are reasonably strong. The second is continuary or precautionary strategy. This a safety margin when consequence might be serious, especially when action is or acknowledged incomplete. The third is strategy. This strategy emphasis communication, accountability, involvement of after people, and clarification of ambiguities. The paper clearly states that risk management usually combines these three strategies rather than relying on only one. Slide. Slide 10, the risk management process. This slide summarizes the risk management process in 6 steps. First, stability content. Second, identify hazard. Three, opportunities. Analysis, cause and consequence. Four, just like what and consequence. Five, evaluate risk. Six and nine. Six. Thesis. In other words, the final discussion should also consider with knowledge, assumptions, cut off, and consider that not fully. If there is any card template on this slide, I do not treat it as part of the paper. The important content is the 6-step process. Slide 11, country and practitioner thinking, robust and resilience. Here the paper discusses between broader country thinking and the more specific pre-continental principle, but support protective action when consequence might be serious, especially under Trinity. The slide also includes robustness and resilience. Robustness means solutions that still work when are imperfect or conditions change. Resilience means building systems that can respond, adapt, monitor, and learn and recover after discard. The author argues the proper risk management depends on the both sound analysis and cautious policy. So number alone are not enough. System also need to be hard to break and able to recover. Slide 12, view to future direction and relevant to information system security. This slide discusses the future of the slide and my application of the paper to information system security. According to the paper, the field so move from static to dynamic risk assessment and management is so focused more on knowledge and lack of the knowledge, not only on precise estimates. It should also improve the way insanity is described. Visual and communication as fairly in emergent risk and complex system. In relation to information system security, I interpret the paper as highly relevant because cyber that equally. Historical data alone are after enough, and attack like how is difficult to estimate precisely. Therefore, security discussion shall not depend only on a risk score. as in my critical review, I see several strengths in this paper, but the paper has very strong conceptual clarity on what is and what is not. Second, is explained very well why uncertainty and knowledge quality matter in real discussion. There is connect traditional risk analysis with robust resilient and adaptive thinking. Finally, it is highly relevant for complex system and modern security problem. Of how- However, the paper also has some limit. It is highly conceptual, so it may feel then for beginner. It also offers fewer detailed work explains example that technical methods paper. Either will expect one formula or one single model might find the argument elaborate board. My main conclusion, my main take away from the paper is that risk assessment and risk management should not lead us to probability or explain loss alone. The paper saw that risk thinking must combine consequence, uncertainty, knowledge, quality, robustness, resilience, and sound judgment. My final review statement is that this strong review paper for explaining how results be understood in modern complex system. In my view, it is also very useful for understanding modern information system security because cybersecurity problems are full of uncertainty, adaptation, and unexpected event. The main source us in this presentation, even uh, judul title risk assessment and risk management. Thank you very much for your attention, for your watching. And is the end of my presentation. I hope this review has made the paper is easier to understand, especially in showing that risk is broader than probability alone, and that uncertainty, knowledge, robustness, and resilience are essential in modern risk management. Thank you.